Hello, class 6 students. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter 18, triangles. Okay, triangles. Triangle to engi ani kan shachak to in arin oma o kan textbook mi hi kan siarang. A triangle is a plane figure bounded by three straight lines. A triangle hi straight line pathumin akwal phung ani a or here triangle PQR is a triangle. In this figure, PQR is a triangle whose sides are PQ, QR, and PR. Okay? Hemi triangle a hianin sides pathum gadneya chung te chu PQ te, QR te, PR te anni. There are three angles of a triangle. Triangle a hianin angles pathum and oma. The name breaks into triangles means three angles. Okay, triangles try to three di na triangle kan ti chuanin angles pathum nei ti na ni mai. Ti chuanin angles pathum kan nei te chu RPQ or this angle RPQ, or simply we can say this one as angle P. Next we have PQR. PQR, this angle. Okay, simply we can say angle Q. And the last one is angle QRP, this angle. Okay, and simply we can say this one as angle R. Now these angles are called angles angles of triangle PQR. And here we have three vertices. Okay, vertex kanti hebi line pani te in mu na lai takha three vertices are vertices kanti chuanin it's a plural form of vertex. Okay, vertex pathum kanneya triangle a chuan chung de chu p helai hi zoom lai tak hi chuan R hi ni poka Q hengte hi vertices pathum kannei te ani a ti chuanin triangle hi hey delta kan ta hemi symbol te triangle te hi mo he yanin kan represent thin ani chuanin triangle ti azia se alau khan ti yanin delta PQR ti akan za chuanin hemi hi triangle PQR ti na ani. Next, let's go to exterior angles of a triangle. When any sides of a triangle is produced, side din na te hi kan produce to the say the angle forming the exterior of the triangle outside the triangle is called an exterior angle. Let me repeat. When any side of a triangle is produced, the angle forming the exterior of the triangle outside the triangle is called an exterior angle. Triangle side te kha kan produce kan zom sei chuanin exterior angle khala chinani. For example, on extending the side BC, this side, okay, BC till the point D thenga kan produce chuanin we get angle ACD helai angle hi kan lo nei ta ani chuanin helai angle ACD hi exterior angle of triangle ABC kan ti khani eti khanin kan shithyam theinarin oma eti chuanin next line. On producing all three sides in both direction, 6 exterior angles are formed in all with 2 equal angles at each vertex. List all the external angles of the adjacent triangle ABC. Note that an exterior angle must have one of its arm as a side of the triangle. This one can extend back to 6 exterior angles aron omdona ni tahian angle 1, 2 tahianin patni isela aron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 aron omdona exterior angle kan ti chuanin triangle pona exterior chu pon ti na nya triangle kwal khung chung lo apona angle lo om te kha exterior angle chu ani ti chuan ka underline zong hi in lo underline ve anga in lo zir thiamang nakina choose the correct answer or true or false ti ang vela khanin test na ale exam na khana ron poi modona kha kan lo zir don yam. Let's go to types of triangles. This one triangle hi chi shang in kan chen shanga this one triangles are classified depending on the measure of its sides. A side atangte angles atangte khan triangle chi shanga khanin kan chen shangani its sides as well as its angles. the names of different types of triangles based on length of sides are ti chuanin a side sei zonga tanga triangle ti shang kan nei te chu scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral. Okay, scalene, isosceles and equilateral ti kha based on their sides atanga triangle ti shang kan nei te kha ni. Let's go to first triangle, scalene triangle. A triangle whose all three sides are of different lengths is called a scalene triangle. Triangle tikha a side measurement tikha mo a side all three sides sides si asailam kha in an lo theu chuanin I kan triangle kha scalene triangle kan ni hemi figure a hian hei DE hi 4 cm ani a EF hi 3 cm ani a DF hi 5 cm ani a an measurement te khu mo a seizong te hi a side seizong te hi a in an lo fek awangin kan triangle hi scalene triangle kan ti. Next let's go to isosceles triangle. If any two sides of a triangle are equal, then the triangle is called an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle kan ti chuan kan triangle a khanin side pahnih in ang an chuan khang kha isosceles triangle kan ti kha ani. Hemi figure hi kan den le chuan hei LN hi 4 cm ani a NM hi 4 cm ani a two sides are equal and the third side is different from others. Chu bang chuanin LN le NM hi 4 cm ve ani awangin hemi triangle hi isosceles triangle kan ti kha ani. Next we have equilateral triangle. If all three sides of a triangle are equal, then the triangle is said to be an equilateral triangle. Kan triangle a khanin a side hi a sei zonga in chen theu khan mo hei 4 cm theu an ya hemi figure a po han chu bang chan this type of triangle are called equilateral triangle. Okay, let's go to next. We have the name of different types of triangles based on the magnitude of angles are discussed below. Any angles atanga triangle chi shang kan nei te kan en le ang kan zir le ang tu na chuanin first one is acute angle triangle. Acute angle kha kan zir to a angles kan zir na khan acute angles, obtuse angles, right angle te kha tu na mi kan zir to hi chu acute angle triangle ani. Acute angle triangle a chuan if all the angles of a triangle are acute, which is less than 90 degrees, then the triangle is called an acute angle triangle or simply an acute triangle. Tichuanin kan triangle a khanin kan angle te kha 90 degree aya an tet vek chuan heta chuan hei 70 degree, 45 degree, 65 an fa hianin less than 90 degree an ni awangin kan triangle hi acute angle triangle kan ti thin ani. Hetiang ang this type of triangles are called acute angle triangle or simply we can say acute triangle. Okay, next we have a right angle triangle. A triangle whose one angle is 90 degree is called a right angle triangle or simply a right triangle. Right triangle kan ti chuan kan triangle a khanin angle pakhat measurement ka 90 degree ani che in 90 degree ani chuanin right angle triangle ani a ti chuan right angle triangle a chang kan sha teng to chu an angle dang pani te hi engtik lai pon acute angle ani don less than 90 ve ani don kha kan she don nya 90 degree hi triangle a khana ron chuan kan triangle kha right angle triangle kan ti a or simply we can say right triangle. Okay, for the last one we have obtuse angle triangle. A triangle whose one angle is obtuse more than 90 degree. Kan triangle a khanin angle pakhat kha 90 degree aya lian lo khanin kan triangle kha obtuse angle triangle kan ti thin ani. Hemi figure hi kan en chuanin he angle q hi 110 more than 90 ani a chu fa chuan hemi triangle hi obtuse angle triangle ani. Ti chuan nachina kan soi ang po khan right triangle ang thau khan obtuse triangle a hianin and another two angles are always less than 90 degree. Okay, acute and ring don hemi te hi kha kan she don ya ti chuan ka underline so ni in textbook a khanin in lo underline ve anga in lo zir thiam don ya. Let's move to exercise 18.1. question number 1 hi chu nang ma ni in lo chang question number 2 then hianin. Oh, let me do question number 2 for you, okay? Question hi karon copy don lafa textbook ami hi karon charang. Draw a line segment AB equal to 6 centimeter. Draw an angle CAB equal to 90 degree by using compass. Join BC. What is the special name of the triangle ABC? First, I'm going to draw a line segment AB equal to 6 centimeter. AB. Here, AB is 6 centimeter. Draw an angle CAB. Let us see on don CAB ni don amo chu 90 degree using compass mangin A hi center kan manangai CAB ni chuan o draw an arc by using this one as center, and then with the same radius draw an arc to cut the previous arc, and with this as center, and then with the same radius cut the same arc 90 degrees. Sam dan ka chu in thiam vek to a sam pop up don o ka explain to lawang. Now join this point and A, and then extend it to C. Join B and C. This is C, okay? Now we join B and C. What is the special name of this triangle? This angle is 90 degree and we have right angle triangle, okay? The special name of a triangle is right angle triangle. That's all. Next, question number 3. Draw an obtuse angle triangle FGH. Obtuse angle triangle into to insya kang FGH mo. Compass manangay lawa. Projector po manangay lawa into do triangle ka insya po pang mo. Disuan to aside zong le angle zong ka projector le ruler mangin in measure doon ni. Which is the longest side of the triangle? A longest side in so yang is the angle opposite to the longest side, the largest angle. Yes, or can angle opposite to the longest side is always the largest angles, okay? Yeah, so yes, do another acute angle triangle and write triangle and follow step 1 and 2 3. Hey, so nang mani in lo chang don niya. Oh, it's one in question number 4 here. Kan chang le lo kang it categorize the following triangles based on the measure of their sides. Here in this triangle, we are going to categorize the following triangles based on the measure of their sides. A sides as hianin kan triangle te kha enge chishang kan nei khamo khat ming kan pedo na ni hemi triangle a chuan all sides are equal ania 4 cm ve kan nya enge kha all sides are equal ani chuan we have equilateral triangle, okay? The name of this triangle is equilateral triangle, right? Equilateral triangle, okay? A figure hi kan textbook a khanin, I mean kan notebook a kan copy anga, a answer kan siya kang o. Question number 2, kan zoom de ulo kang e. Question number 2, here in this triangle, all sides are equal. Tawane hita po yan ay to equilateral triangle. Anile don. Question number 3 at so anin hey 8 cm, 16 cm, 10 cm anya. All sides are different anya. All sides are different anya. So anya kan nay ka scalene triangle. Okay, scalene triangle kan nay anya. Oh, let's go to question number 5. Categorize the following triangles based on the measure of their angles. angle a zero khanin aming kan peledon. Here we have 30 degree, 120 degree, 30 degree. Inge kha here one of the angle measure more than 90 degree obtuse. So wang chuan kan triangle hi obtuse angle triangle ani. Or chuan sub number 2 a kan kalang. Here we have 55 degree, 85 degree and 40. All angles measure less than 90 90 degree. 90 degree ain ante fek a inge kan nei kha chutiani chuan 90 degree ain ante fek khan we have acute angle triangle. Okay, this triangle is acute angle triangle. Question number 3. Here we have 90 degree, 66 degree, 24 degree, 90 degree a chuan inge kan tika if one of the angle measure 90 degree, then we have right angle triangle. Okay, this triangle is called right angle triangle. Okay, this one in question number 2, 3 to nang manin in lau changang ka ti to khamo question number 1 yan hianin in lau changa kan notebook kan lau ziak fe ka nga answer kha kan lau ziak don ya. Oh, that's all we can learn today. Thank you. Bye bye.